Rose is the best.
She's average.
It's alright.
Yeah. I mean, Euler's, Euler's is Euler's, really. I mean, I don't see any other way you can do Euler's without this program.
Well, ever since the fame of Five Together got to me, I haven't had time to do Euler's method by hand, so I've had to rely on this program, and let me tell you, it's great.
Two dog here. I don't even know what this is. I need it, cause yeah.
The amount of times that I've needed to use Euler's method and just couldn't do it by hand, yeah, I can't even count them. So this program is like amazing for me.
Before I joined Five Together, I was in a rap crew where my rap persona was actually Leonard Euler. This Isaac Newton, so I really appreciate it. Being in Five Together has been a lifelong dream of mine.
Pay my attention, no philosophy could ever come between us, but we'll always have our calculus. I know my calculus, it says you plus me equals S. Yeah, I know my calculus, it says you plus me equals S. Come on. Calculus.
We're Five Together and we approve this message.